Okay, so we're going to play an E minor chord. We're going to use finger 2 and finger 3, and then we're just going to hit it and then string mute. Okay, and then so let's do that 8 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's switch to G. So build your G chord, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, switch to E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to E minor. Bring it out. Okay, now let's let this hand go loose a little bit. Play a bunch of these like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Switch to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then spaz out your hand. Okay, let's try doing our finger 1 and finger 2. We're going to do the first 3 dots. Those are frets. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go 3, 5, 7. Those are the first 3 dots. 3, 5, 7. Okay, so let's bring our second finger down to fret 8. Okay, so now it's going to sound like this. 3, 5, 7, 8. Again. 3, 5, 7, 8. Again. 3, 5, 7, 8. Now take your second finger off, go backwards. 7, 5, 3. Okay, it'll sound like this when we do it together. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Try to go as fast as you can. Hey. Yeah. Hey. There we go. All right. So try to play that 2 times through, and that'll be about 6 or 7 minutes of practice at home.